welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Yisha and today I'm going to show you how I edit my thumbnails. So I hope you enjoy and I hope you learn something new or learn how to edit your thumbnails if you are struggling. So let's just get into this video. I edit my thumbnails on my phone. This is the iPhone 7 Plus. I think you should be able to do it on any iPhone. And I think you should be able to do it on an Android, I'm not quite sure. And you can definitely do it on an iPhone. So I'm just going to start off. Okay guys, so to make this thumbnail all you need is two apps, and they are PicsArt and facetune 2. So if you haven't already, download them right now. They're both free, so you know, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. And after you've done that, all you need to do is take a picture. It doesn't matter if it's on your phone or your camera. If you're going to do it on your phone, I think you have to do a video and do like a pose or anything, whatever you want as your thumbnail, like whatever pose you want of you or something. I think you need to take a video and then screenshot it off there, but if you do it on your camera, you just take a picture and then you need to export it to your phone. So that's what I'm going to do now. I don't think I said, but just so you know, I am going to do it the camera way, so I'm going to take a picture of my camera and then export it to my phone, because that's what I usually do. Okay guys, so if you're going to do it on your camera, I usually set mine to, right, let me go on this. Press func set, and then I put a 10-second self timer on. So yeah. Alright, so I'm just gonna do a random pose because this isn't actually a thumbnail for a video. Wait, it could be. Yeah, it could be the thumbnail for this video. Right, yeah. So I'm gonna make the thumbnail for this video. So just gonna, I don't know what pose I'm gonna do, but you'll see. Probably gonna do something like what I usually do, like, then like edit it in a good way. So let's do this. Alright, so just counting down. Okay, so that's done. So now I just need to export the picture off my camera onto my phone, which is really simple and easy if you just use a Canon Connect app. So I'll see you after I've done that. Okay guys, so the picture has exported. So here it is. And I don't know if you can see, but it doesn't matter. But anyway, let's get into the editing part. Probably what we'll be waiting for. So, alright, so you need to go into Facetune, press the little image icon at the top, then get the picture you want. Now, press on backdrop. Load. And then, press on auto. And it automatically fill the background in for you. Now what you want to do is you want to go into Safari. Right, I already searched it up, but search whatever thing you want in the background up. So say if you wanted something like sweets. Searching sweets up and then do this. So screenshot whatever you want as your background. Crop it into the shape you want. Done, save to photos. I'll go back onto Facetune, and now press on photo, put your thing in, screenshot it, crop it, done, save to photo. Okay, so now that picture should be in your camera roll. There it is. And now we need to go on to the next part, which is on PicsArt. Okay, so once you've done that, you need to go into PicsArt. Go on to PicsArt. Open the app up. Press on the little add bit at the bottom. And now choose the photo what you've just saved.
What are you doing?
I'm doing a YouTube video.
Well, You should do with the video.
Yeah. Alright, now you can add your text in. So press on text, then whatever you want. So I want how to make a thumbnail. You can write whatever you want to do. You have to write the title of your video. Is that your spell thumbnail? Right, let me see how you spell thumbnail. Sorry about this, guys. Thumbnail. Yeah, that's how you spell thumbnail. How to make a thumbnail. No, how to make your own thumbnail. To make your own thumbnail easy. Can I say this bit is easy? And then you can put it wherever you want. I'm going to put it here. You can change the style. Then do that one. You can make whatever colour you want, and then you press stroke to make the outline. You can make the outline bit whatever colour you want.
What's that?
I could do this colour, this is quite nice. Shh. It's DVD. Right, and now press apply. And you can outline it if you want. Sometimes this kind of fails for me because, you know, it's hard to outline stuff to make it look good. So I'm going to do it. So oh, what the hell? Why is it black? You can change the colour. I'm going to do white. You can zoom in. Right, you can rub it out if you want to. No, I don't like that. Right, I'm just going to go around the outside. Them doing the outline bit just makes it a bit more bold and stand out more. Right? Oh no, you see this bit. Yeah, this bit's a bit shadowy. I should have sorted that out on the other app. Right, I think that's alright. Just put it apply. And there's lots of different things you can do on this and you'll figure it out, but I'm not going to do that because I don't want it in this one. So yeah, and now let's press next. Save picture on your device, and there we go. That's how easy it is. I finished, can you believe it? I'll show you the end result. It looks super cool. It'll be the right size for your video and everything. It's super easy. So if you enjoyed this video, if you did, make sure to give a big thumbs up, and if you've learned how to make your own thumbnail, comment down below and say if it was useful to you, and make sure to comment some video suggestions, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.